Hello class 11th. You must have seen the PDF related to the revised syllabus that was sent to you. But let's have a look at the deleted topics now. In the writing skills, classified advertisements will not be there. So we'll have notice writing and poster designing. In the letter writing section, job applications and letter to the editor have been deleted. Article writing and report writing will not be there. You will be tested for speech writing and debate. Writing narratives will not be there. In the grammar section, items like modals, clauses, passive voice, editing tasks will not be there. So you'll have gap filling exercises, reordering exercises based on tenses, determiners and transformation of sentences. In the literature section, there are two books, Hornbill and Snapshot. From Hornbill, Father to Son, that is the poem, and the text, the adventure, have been deleted. From Snapshot, the two texts, The Ghat of the Only World and The Tale of Melancity, stand deleted. Let's come to the paper pattern now. There will be two parts, objective and subjective. Part A comprises of 40 marks. There will be two unseen passages in the reading section. Grammar, again there will be multiple choice questions related to gap filling, reordering sentences, transformation of sentences. In the literature section, there will be extracts from poems. Likewise, there will be extracts from Hornbill and Snapshot, even the prose section. There will be 5 text-based questions from prose and poems for 5 marks. So this is for the objective part. Coming to the subjective part, in the reading section, note making will be there. This will be a new area for you. Note making and summarizing. Note making for 5 marks and summary writing for 3 marks. In the writing section, notice will be there for 3 marks. Poster will be there again for 3 marks. There will be internal choice. In the letter writing section, there will be a choice again between the letters of inquiry, complaint, letters for placing orders, sending replies, writing to school authorities. And in the long compositions, it will be speech and debate. So this is for the reading and writing. In the literature section, there will be 2 short answer type questions, one from poem and one from prose from the book Hornbill. These have to be answered in 30 to 40 words. There will be 1 short answer type question from Snapshot to be answered in 40 to 50 words. There will be 1 long answer type question from both the books, Hornbill and Snapshot, to be answered in 120 to 150 words for 5 marks. So this is the overall pattern for 40 plus 40, 80 marks. 20 marks are reserved for ASL. So a lot of changes are there and they are in our favor.